investigators. Today's question is, can AI understand my hairstyle? Let's gather the evidence. Welcome to Project Rebuild case number 2. Can AI choose my hairstyle? So this is how I usually choose my hairstyles. But today I left that decision to ChatGPT to actually help me choose my hairstyle. These are the hairstyles AI thought would best complement my facial features. These are the images AI generated after I've uploaded a photo and given it my prompt. Give me this style, this hairstyle, this one, this. But I think I like this one. So I like this hairstyle. So we are going to go with this hairstyle. I booked the appointment. Beautiful salon in my neighborhood. I was so excited. I had planned to film the entire process. The washing, the braiding, like all the laughter. I had planned to film that. So we got inside. The hairstylist was welcoming. She was very lovely. So she made us to sit. The place was packed, so they were working on other clients. I had to wait my turn. So I sat down. Do you speak French at all?
A little bit.
So how is the struggle?
Deux mesures, elle dit là. Et puis elle a divorcé avec le monsieur là. Pourtant la tante là, c'est une qui est très généreuse. Elle aime les gens. Que ton mari dit ça. Il est parti. Là, je vais quitter la voiture, venir ici.
Awesome.
After all that happened, I felt more confident. So the question is, did AI choose the right hairstyle, or it was the struggle that I went through that made me appreciate it more?